Oh, 5G is coming to India. Interesting. But how it will get implemented? Is it different than 4G? What are its advantages? Well, I must know about it.
Well, nowadays we are learning a lot about 5G. What is it? What are its advantages and disadvantages? How it's so special? We will actually discuss about it. 5G is called as fifth generation technology broadband for cellular networks. This means that 5G is the fifth generation network which is most powerful and more prevalent than the previous generation networks like 4G, 3G, 2G, 1G, etc. Also, it has highest network coverage and also its download capacity is very fast, 10 gigabits per second. So now before moving further, let us discuss about previous generation networks.
So now, here comes the first generation wireless cellular technology, also known as 1G. Well, it was the era of late 20th century, where wireless technology was much needed. During that time, 1G was discovered and it was implemented around the world in 1980s. In 1G, audio transmission actually took place in analog way, which is completely different from its successor networks. 1G became quite popular around the world, especially in America, but it also had some drawbacks, which has to be replaced from upcoming network that is 2G. So now let us discuss about 2G. Here comes 2G, the second generation wireless cellular technology. Look, there were so many drawbacks in 1G, like it was not implemented in rural areas, it was very slow. So to replace it, 2G was discovered. It was discovered in 1990s and it is also still continued to be used in some areas. 2G actually gave the transfer speed of 40 kilobits to 380 kilobits, which was big during those days. But yeah, this also had some drawbacks. So this also has to be replaced by next technology 3G. But 2G is still in use in some rural areas of Asia and also Europe. As the world moved on, we needed a network which could transfer more bits. So here we discovered 3G. 3G transferred 2.5 giga per rate seconds to 2.75 giga per rate seconds. This was actually more faster data transfer. 3G was faster than 2G. According to my knowledge, in India, it was actually implemented in late 2000s. But 3G was not fully successful network due to rapid increase of high-tech smartphones and also in bid to increase the network deep inside the country like India, a new network was introduced that was 4G. Now we are living in the era of 4G. 4G means fourth generation wireless cellular technology. It was actually developed in late 2000s but was applied all over the world in 2010s. Due to development of gaming tech, increase of smartphones and now video conference, 3D TVs, smart TVs etc., 4G has been very helpful in this. We can see here that even after a corona pandemic has stuck around the world, we can still continue our classworks, office works via online thanks to 4G. But research are still going on about implementation of 5G and replacing 4G.
Well, for anything around the world, there will be both disadvantages as well as advantages. Similarly, for 5G, there is advantage for it and also disadvantages. Let us discuss advantages. Well, one of the most main advantage of 5G is it has the highest speed transmission, better than 4G and 3G. You can access files, apps and programs and other applications with greater speed. Another advantage is it has lesser latency than previous generation networks. Latency means the time that is between which we give order and a device which completes its action. 5G has less than 10 times of latency than 4G. So it can do many operations more than 4G. One more advantage, 5G can be connected to many devices. Even per square kilometer, millions of devices can be connected to it. This actually helps a lot in building smart cities, autonomous cars, etc. Well, there are disadvantages as well. Like many devices are not competent enough to the level of 5G, so they have to be replaced or have to be updated. Another disadvantage is high cost. For the construction of 5G towers and its infrastructure, so much money is needed for it. So that's all friends. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.